Hello traders, welcome to the Wednesday trade recap and forecast. I have been in some trades which we will take a look at. So we're starting with the first pair, which is the euro and US dollar as usual. On this particular pair I didn't have any trades, any others on, so nothing really interested me personally. What I was seeing, well, we're starting from the last Wednesday. We just kind of descended right here, then ascended. And then we are starting to move down right now, but current price action is not promising. I'm seeing momentum being shifted to the upside. So let's just focus on the last price action, last couple of candles. I mean, we had this push down, but then we got double wicks and a huge wick in those double wicks. Now we're getting momentum up, we're getting momentum shifting back up. So I'm expecting a larger range or a reversal here. Unfortunately, as a trend trader, that's not what you want to see, a range or a reversal. But we can also profit if we get a reversal like a V and then a range and then a push up and then would look to buy. That is a nice setup to go long. Price can of course go down, but I would need to see a nice push, especially if the momentum shifts right here. So I would need to see a nice large push in order to look for a sell. Is this pair on my watch list? Well, it was, but with this current candle, I'm not liking the formation. Again, this is a live candle, so it can close down. It doesn't have to close like it is forming right now, so we will see. Currently, it is on my watch list, and I would look to sell if we continue going down. So that's about it for EU. EJ, from last Wednesday, I have not seen much potential in EJ. So let me see if there were any setups that were forming. So right here, there was this break and retest setup, which I did not take because the break was definitely not enough. And I believe there was one more setup. So we kind of descended here, then we created a V reversal. Then we started ascending, then we ranged around. Right here, there was a second opportunity to get in. Did I have my order on right here? So I did not. Basically, three reasons. We were coming from range-bound price action, so we were coming out of a flat range. Second reason, absolutely huge wick here. Third reason, the break is not enough. When I see this big of a wick, I want to see a nice big break, because otherwise this can just easily retrace and continue ranging, because a huge wick signals a larger, wider range. So nothing for me on this pair. We are kind of correctively ascending. Again, expecting this to move down potentially, but I'm just seeing range-bound price action. To be honest, for me, I would need to see the ascending clean up a bit, and then I would look for reversals. But right now, this pair is definitely not on my watch list. I'm looking for a large impulse up, or I'm looking for a large impulse to the downside, something like this. So let's see if any of those scenarios happen. And I think we can move on. This pair has really not showed us any potential. Then we have the Aussie and US dollar, where I did take two trades. One win, one loss. Let's go over it right now. There was also one trade here, a bomb or a flag, which I didn't take. The reason was huge wick, then it was filled, and this candle, I just did not like how it formed. If this candle came with a clean close, I would have been interested in taking this. But for me, I was seeing double wicks to the downside, and I was seeing weakness, especially with this huge wick. So I did not want to risk the 1%. I believe anyone that did get in this trade, it would have been a nice winner, but just did not fit my plan. Pair price action, again, pair price action was looking okay. It was trending down, but for me, this huge wick was just a big warning sign. Then we got another opportunity to enter in on a flag. So another flag formed right here. Basically, I saw a small descending at the end of this move. When I see a descending structure, I do expect the price to reverse in the opposite direction, which we then did get. So for me, this was high probability to continue going up. And then we got a nice clean flag formation. Let's see the formation. So first high, first low, second high, second low. Nice entry candle, rejection of the flag line or this level right here. So price was struggling to go down. This was a perfect example of a flag formation, to be honest. So really a nice example to learn from. Again, it was a small winner in the end. It did go up. Then we got this sort of another flag right here, and I didn't take it because I still had open risk on the table from the first trade. So let's continue. Then after this trade, let's see what happened. Yeah, small winner, high probability setup, no-brainer for me personally. This one I would have taken as well, but again, I had open risk on the table from the first trade, so did not take the second one, but would have taken it if I didn't have open risk. Then we moved down in descending fashion, and I got in on a reversal trade right here. For me, this was also a good trade. Price was struggling to go down, struggling. Then we started printing wicks to the downside, as you can see. So this wick, huge wick, ranged around, huge wick takes out lower liquidity, momentum shift to the upside, nice strong break. Definitely I'm seeing a momentum shift in this blue candle. I did place a pending order to go long, and I got taken out for a loss. So right now price action is telling me it's forming a V reversal. So it's forming a definite V reversal with this open candle. After a V reversal, I do expect a range and a push up. Let's see if that happens. Is this pair on my watch list? No, it's not. I need to see a nice formation form. Again, we can also drop back to a downside, then I would need to see a nice large impulse going down. So I don't currently see much potential in this pair. Again, I'm waiting to see if this V reversal will form and possibly move to the upside. We can move on to the Aussie and the Japanese yen. For this pair, I'm seeing larger range-bound price action. I don't see much potential right here. Is this pair on my watch list? No. Again, I'm waiting for a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside. I'm just being much more patient with this one. I'm also seeing how the price will react in these areas right here, because these are the areas of liquidity. This is where the range-bound traders have their stop losses, and we need to be really careful how the price breaks into these areas. I'm looking for a nice, big, strong break, so I'm just being more patient with this one as well. The pound, I did take a trade on the pound. I took a nice flag formation. What did I like about this trade? Well, first, the prior price action. I liked the V reversal, the range, the push down. So this is exactly what I tried to look for. V reversal, range, push down, and price usually continues trending to a downside. Then we got into this established downtrend, and we got a nice clean flag formation. We can see the first low, first high, second low, second high. Nice range inside the flag. This for me is a textbook flag formation on the pound and on any pair, to be honest. When it kind of just cannot move up, when it's struggling and just barely moving anywhere, just these indecision candles. Super high probability for me, and it did end up being a 1% loss. So I did take a loss here. One warning sign that some traders did see was this slowdown of momentum. Blue candle, second blue candle, something for me to backtest, something for me to research on the pound. So maybe this is a warning sign if we are trending and we see blue candles in the impulse. So something for me to research in the future, but I was happy to take the 1% risk on this trade. Then we just kind of moved down, descended, moved up. There was an opportunity to get in on a flag right here. So maybe some people saw push up, small pullback, and we continue. I wasn't happy to take a trade here. First reason, overall price was kind of in this overall V reversal, just not looking good. Overall price action, we did decent here, but then again, kind of not climbing out of this V reversal. So that was my first warning sign. Second one was these red candles. So first red candle prints a large wick, then the second one kind of continues up, but then the first one continues up, but the second pullback candle breaks the high, breaks the low. Turns out that it's red, so now we have two red candles inside of a move up. Wasn't really happy to risk it, especially on a Monday. Especially on a Monday, wasn't happy to get in on this flag. Again, a flag formation did form right here, but did not fit my plan, and good that I followed my plan because it would have been a 1% loss. Right now, price is forming another V reversal. So same as on the Aussie US dollar, I'm seeing if we get a range, push up, and then I would look to buy, or looking for a large impulse down, and then I would look to sell. This pair is not on my watch list. I'm not seeing any potential as of yet. I'm waiting to see what will happen in the next few candles. So yeah, let's just move on to NJ, which is the most interesting pair on my watch list. So this pair is definitely trending to the upside currently, and there were a couple of opportunities to get in on some trades. First one was this flag right here. I didn't take it, huge wick. We did not get enough of a range, so this I did not want to take. Then we got another opportunity right here, another flag, and I was debating this one, so I was on the edge of taking it. First high, first low, second high, second low. But the warning sign for me was this red candle, especially on a Monday. So Mondays and Tuesdays are predominantly range-bound days, and I don't want to see any momentum shifting, especially on a Monday and Tuesday. So we broke to the upside from the descending structure. That was good. I did like that price action, and we definitely got momentum up. But just this one candle showed me a momentum shift going down, showed me selling pressure, and I was not happy to risk the 1% when I saw selling pressure. It would have been a nice winner, so congratulations to anyone who got in on this flag. Personally, did not fit my plan. Another opportunity was right here, another flag, so looks like we have flag season. Reversal season, flag season, so this year we are going strong with the reversals and the flags. Not really that much with the continuations. We will see what will happen in the rest of the year. Again, this is the flag, and this one did not fit my plan because we broke the high just by one candle. We also ranged around here. We got a momentum shift in these two red candles, so I was expecting this level to fail. Usually what happens when you get a huge wick and momentum shift going down, this area fails, especially with just a one candle push. If this continued and we got a flag further up, I would have taken it, but this barely broke the high. Again, this time it worked out, so this is now running in some very good profit, but definitely did not fit my plan. It was a very, very, very bad trade in my personal opinion. But right now I'm seeing a trending market. I'm definitely looking for a setup here, break and retest, or a nice flag formation. I like the small flags in this pair. Those tend to work out the best, such as this one. So the flag formation was good. I would like to see that one here, but I'm definitely looking to buy. This has potential. This is on my watch list. This looks the best out of all of the pairs. Now it's not the rule that this has to continue. This can also drop to the downside. We can get a V range, push down, and then I would look to sell. But that is a whole other story. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you took some value, and I hope I covered all of the setups that happened. Markets are active, they're moving, trends possibly coming, big trades possibly coming. Again, zero expectations, but the market conditions are definitely better than they were 2 or 3 weeks ago. That's it for this video. See you guys maybe on Friday if we get some action, or next Wednesday. That's it, and enjoy your day.